Elasticsearch field data unsupported while index mapping. I'm trying to create an index in Elasticsearch through Python. I have a local instance of S deployed and queries run fine. However, I have a schema. Here it is. Here is the code I am using to create this index. I don't understand why the field data equals true is causing an issue, since I see it's allowed here, this URL. Any clue what the issue behind this is?
You don't need to enable field data on keyword fields. You can do aggregations on keyword fields.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.